and welcome to Lisa's Italian Kitchen. I'm making a marvelous chicken dish for you this evening that I learned when I was living in Florence for many years, raising my children. I learned it at a small trattoria where we went on a very frequent basis, and it's a delicious chicken dish made exclusively in butter. It becomes caramelized and melts in your mouth. You've never had chicken like this before. So what we start with is very high quality unsalted butter. And we're going to you need a heavy pan and not a Teflon pan because we want to caramelize the sides of our chicken breasts. I have 4 chicken breasts here that I've sliced in half. And I'm just going to lightly dredge them in flour, coat it on both sides, and place them in the butter. This trattoria in Florence not only has this marvelous chicken dish, but so many others. They're very well known for their funghi trifolati, which means sauteed mushrooms. Tuscany's known for its mushrooms, and I loved that as a side dish with these chicken breasts. So if you want to make sauteed mushrooms, they go beautifully with these chicken breasts in butter. They also did a wonderful bistecca alla fiorentina, which is Florentine steak, and that was amazing at that trattoria. Just an incredible dessert with meringue and chocolate. They're known for everything, and it's just a wonderful trattoria where my children and I spent a lot of time. So this is their chicken dish, and it simply melts in your mouth. Now we've got this on a high flame because we're going to almost caramelize the butter, and we want to get the chicken very brown on either side. After we do that, we're going to place it in a 325 oven for about 20 minutes. So now the chicken breasts have gotten very golden on each side, caramelizing the butter. We're flipping these, and all I have in the flour that I dredged in is salt and pepper, because you really want to taste the luxurious butter in this dish. So we're going to we'll caramelize it on this side as well, get them nice and brown, then we'll put them in a 325-degree oven for 20 minutes. And these chicken breasts will melt in your mouth. Wonderful on a bed of spinach with a little bit of parmigiano, wonderful with sauteed mushrooms, or just a tossed salad. I'll tell you a funny story about Trattoria Sostanza, where I learned how to make this chicken. My youngest son, Guido, was about 3 one evening, maybe a little younger, about 18 months, and in his stroller. And it's a very small, tiny, narrow trattoria, as are many trattorie in Italy. And I wheeled him in and put him next to me in his stroller. Unbeknownst to me, the silverware cabinet was to the left, and with those little hands, he opened the door, pulled out all the clean silverware, and everyone in the trattoria heard a giant crash. That was all the clean silverware for all the seatings that evening. So that night, Guido received his nickname of Terremoto, which means the earthquake. And believe me, he is. For years afterwards, when we would walk in, all the waiters would yell, "Guido, il terremoto!" That's what life is made of, memories. So now they're nicely caramelized by the butter, so we're going to put them in the 325 oven for about 20 minutes. Eccoli, beautiful golden chicken breast sauteed in butter from Trattoria Sostanza. Buon appetito! Tutti a tavola! Ciao ciao!